Okay, so last but not least, let's talk about typography.
Yeah, sure, no problem. So Beefree gives you control over font families, weights, line height, letter spacing, and yes, you can upload your brand custom fonts too. Let me show you a more advanced example where we combine a few of these options to create something that really stands out. I'm going to use this template collection that we have in our template catalog. The first thing that you notice is the typography. We are using here a very bold typography for the headlines. This is a custom font that we have added in our custom font of the workspace in the style settings. Here you can notice that one. The name of the font is Alpha Slab 1, and here you can notice the font name, font CSS URL, the font family, the weights that we need, and also the fallback font. Let's go inside the builder. This is the title. So here we have the font family, select the Alpha Slab 1, the font weight, and then we can also set the line height. Here we have 4 default line height setting, but we can also customize it. So let's say that I want to set the line height to 1.1. I also reduced the letter spacing for this specific title. And yeah, that's it. You can see how easy it is. And on the same collection, I want to share one last secret tip about quotes. So after we release the content area padding, this design can be easily achieved with Beefree. I'm talking about the line next to the quote. So here, I'm going to show you how this was made in Beefree. I set the content area padding on the left to 50. So we can have the white space, the blank space on the left here. And then I set the left border to 2 pixels solid with the color that I needed. As you can notice, also for mobile, this is perfectly rendered and it's very, very beautiful and smart usage of the content area padding.